guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, you're welcome. Welcome to Emeline's family. In today's video, we will be talking about business, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post any video, because I'll be taking you guys on business, healthcare, and lifestyle. And you will be getting my videos every Wednesday and Sundays. Okay guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into this topic. For you to start a successful business, there are so many things you must have in mind. Sit down, get your paper and pen, and follow the instruction I will be in this video, and bet me you will know the next step to take. So we'll be giving 5 tips on what you should do as a new entrepreneur who wants to succeed in business. Number 5, do what you love. What do you have passion for? This is very important when it comes to you making a decision of the kind of business you want to do. You have to think of what problem can your idea, business solve in the environment, in the place you find yourself. You can bet and believe with me that if you think of the successful people in business, they started with solving problem. That is what made them successful in that business. You have to think of what kind of problem you can solve, and then this will help you to be persistent in that business. And once you've gathered your plan and know what you love to do, the second step, which is number 4, is write your plans down. Get a paper and pen, write it down. Write it down will help you to follow the guidelines. Writing down will also help you to be focused. You have to make sure that you already have your plans written down so that you can be able to follow the steps you have there. Okay, number 3, we talk about money spending. Sometimes people think that for you to start a successful business, you have to involve a lot of money. You first of all have to know the cash at hand and then make your budget on that your cash. Once you've already planned to solve the problems around your environment, focus on solving the problem with the money you have. It is your customers that will lift you up. Don't buy that expensive camera, don't buy that expensive machine for the product. Start with the little you have. Forget about website right now, forget about printing of cards. Start with the ones you have. It is your customer that will lift you, not you. Because focusing on trying to make a lot of debt, decorate the best shop, have the best equipment will help, because you don't know if the business you're planning to do will succeed or not. So start with the little you have. Don't think of spending a lot of money with the business you don't even know the outcome of it. Pay attention, focusing on a particular product. Sometimes when you start a product, you may encounter the problem of not being successful because of poor logistics or poor service, but don't give up. That is why you have to focus on solving problem. Solving problem will help you to make research on what the market wants and how to strategize your plan. You don't have to start a business with so many products. Start with one. The most important, get a team. When I mean get a team, I mean get people that will be there to support you, guide you, and give you the right advice. Get a team, get a mentor who will always be there to guide you. You cannot do it alone, because no man knows it all. There is no way you can do it all. Make research, get good people, good teams, and then a mentor. He will be the one to guide you for you to climb that ladder and be successful. So guys, with all these 5 tips I've given out, I hope it helps you to know where to start. Don't forget to click the how to be your boss video I did. It will also help you on this journey on how to start your own business. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.